Hey everybody, thanks for joining my channel again. I'm working in the mud. Anyway, my 2005 Honda CRV. You guys are already here for the replacing the alternator, and I've seen a lot of videos where people are removing the whole front fascia, the plenum or air intake, and just doing all this ridiculous stuff. And it might make things a little bit easier for you. Now, I don't have all the right tools for this. I do and I don't. There's more tools here. I just brought my tools out. So I'm just going to tell you right now what you're going to need. You're going to need, to get your power steering pump off, you're going to need 12 mil. All of these are 12 mil. Yes, they're metric, not standard. So make sure you get metric. 12 mil, 12 mil, 12 mil, 12 mil. I released the aircon line to loosen that off, because that's kind of in the way there. You can see where she's kind of shiny right there. Right there, kind of shiny, because I was rubbing against it. You can see everything's tight. I just got her out, just pulled her out. She's kind of a pain in the butt to get the two bottom bolts. This one here was the hardest to get, because this one right here, I actually managed to get my 12 mil ratcheting. This little guy right here. So I got him in. Sorry, I got him like this, and I just ratcheted this one off. So the top one came out easy. This one right here is by far the hardest one to get out. And that one there that was just a pain. I ended up, where is it? Yeah, sorry. So I ended up taping up this thing here because I didn't have a 12 long, and then a buddy of mine just happened to come by, and he had a 12 long. So that's what I'll be using. I'll be using this one right here. It's a Stanley toolkit. To try to put everything back into place, but like on the bottom. The rest of the stuff here is pretty easy. The hardest part now is really going to get the serpentine belt on. So I do have my new alternator. I mean, that's kind of obvious, right? Because why would I pull it out if I didn't have it? Now, it took a little bit of finagling, like I said, because the aircon line, if your car doesn't have aircon, it's a little bit easier to roll it up and out of here. It might be a little bit easier, really, to get that fan out, but no, whatever. I did take out, as you guys can see right there, that's the rad overflow. So as soon as you get the water pump out, or the power steering pump out, you want to take that out. It gives you a little bit more room down there. So this is an aftermarket, and I don't mind using aftermarket. Some people say that there's issues with aftermarket, but well, I guess we'll live and learn and wait and see. So I just want to show you guys this really quick, that you do not have to pull this out. This all together, from running inside the house and everything else like that, trying to get all the right tools together, took me just a little over an hour, to be honest with you. Just screwing around with that bottom bolt and trying to get everything out and get everything to fit. So hopefully this goes together a hell of a lot faster. So I'm not going to bore you guys all with that. I just wanted to show you guys right now where I'm at. I didn't put all my car back together again. I just wanted to show you guys, in fact, that you can get your alternator out without having to take out the entire front of your car. Even if you are just taking out this front rad support and stuff, you don't need to. It comes up out of here pretty easy, actually. You got to tug on it a little bit, because, you know, it's going to be rubbing on the plastics. Sorry. It's going to be rubbing on the plastics in here on the fan and such. You know, it's going to be rubbing a little bit, but it'll come out. Trust me, it came out. So with that being said, guys, I'm not going to bore you anymore. Like I said, it's springtime. Well, it's not technically spring, but it's like that. And I wanted to roll my car back, but the battery's dead today because it's dry underneath it. But anyhow, with that being said, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you guys found this useful. Any comments, leave them. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for subscribing to my channel, guys. Supporting it. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so very much for that. Have a good one.